Kungaba kubonga kakhulu ku Build It for the continued support lesitfolile kule minyaka lasayibalile director Solosi kanye njengendlungulu yebhola. Siyindlungulu yebhola ke we are very excited kubona abantwana ngalolu hlobo badlalile, and we are saying congratulations to Red Lions champions etfana namuhla. Mhlawumbe umuntu angathatha lelithuba aphinze ashorishe batali ukuthi indlungulu yebhola inetinhlelo letinengi, especially iprogram lensha lesiyicalile solokusukela umnyaka iprogram yaka safeguarding. So batali labakhona la rest assure ibhola iphephile, wonke umuntu osebholeni iphephile. FIFA has introduced safeguarding ebholeni, lokusho ukuthi wonke umuntu losebholeni uphephile, especially on issues of abuse, neglect, because ingaba khona ne-abuse ebholeni, because at the end of the day ukhanza sekufunakala kuwina, there is emotional abuse and so many other forms of abuse. But njengendlungulu yebhola sinelihlelo lapho khona sifundzisa khona, siphinze sente siciniseko ukuthi wonke umuntu losebholeni kude kuhlukumeta kwanoma ngabe ngiluphi ihlobo. It's just to assure parents to say bantwa benu nabasebholeni basetandleni letiphephile. Sekungaba kukhutsata ke nabo badlali bebhola ukuthi kumgcoka ukuthi sitiphathe kahle, because this is the beginning of the journey in your football career. Lokunilana nje sibhekile ukuthi nitiphathe kahle, nichubeke nihloniphe, nikhumbule ukuthi sikolwa ngisona simgcoka ezinisadlala ibhola. Umuntu usaphetha director sibongela champions namhla basibukelisile. Last year ke noma ku last edition siyakhumbula ukuthi inshiselo ngathi bekucala nangikhumbula kahle bayithatha, sathi noma bathi ayidefender in this time around, but nje ke we can't wait to go to national championships siyobona ukuthi baphethene. Otherwise lizinga namhla silibonile lebhola lithuthukile. Umuntu angaphinza abongele nesifundza sasenshiselweni ukuthi nawubuka le gap la kule development sebayivale kakhulu. Build It nje sesiyati ukuthi kuze adlale kuyathathwa le nale kuma leagues la already existing. Kuyinto lenhle kakhulu lo, kwenta ukuthi nalabangaketi la batodlala lamhla bathi sifuna kufaka emandla so that next time nathi sikhona ukuthi siqualify kutodlala. So kuyibongela nje inshiselo emsebentini lomhle kangaka.